Students tussle with police demanding justice for deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Altogether, 15 students injured. Parents of deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur condemned police statement on family matters, urged government not to deflect the case. And Health Minister Lampulapam Jayantakumar inaugurates several health facilities in Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur and Churachandpur district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Prime Time English News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Protests against the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur continues unabated in the state. Students of Ananda Higher Secondary School and CC Higher Secondary School erupted into intense agitation in condemnation of the recent police statement on the post-mortem report of the deceased girl student today. The protesting students tried to storm the Chief Minister's bungalow. Imphal East police personnel halted agitating students as they reached Sanjintong, leading to intense scuffles between them. Police resorted to tear gas selling and smoke bombing to disperse the student mob, which they retaliated by pelting stones. As the scuffle intensified, additional police team arrived and fired countless tear gas cells and smoke bombs to divert them towards CC Higher Secondary School. A class 11 student of Ananda Higher Secondary School called Warren sustained severe injury on her right feet during the scuffle. She was operated at Jennings Hospital. 6 other students also sustained injury in the police scuffle. Police are maintaining a strict vigil in the school vicinity to prevent a recurrence. Intense scuffles occurred between students of Imphal College and police today. 4 students sustained injuries in police tear gas selling and smoke bombing inside the college campus. Students of the college carried out protest rally on Tidim Road, but police personnel halted them near Tidim Ground. Intense scuffle occurred and police resorted to tear gas selling and smoke bombing to disperse the student mob. Agitating students pelted stones to police in retaliation. After some tussle, police managed to drive the students back in the college campus. Students continued their agitation by chanting various slogans demanding justice for the deceased girl student at the college gate. Scuffles ensued as the adamant students tried to rally once again. Speaking to media, Games and Sports Secretary of Imphal College Student Union, Dayananda, condemned the police firing inside the college campus. He also warned of intense agitation until justice is served to the deceased girl student.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯂꯣꯠꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯜꯂ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯪꯖꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ.
Simultaneously, police fired tear gas cells and smoke bombs at the office of Manipuri Students' Federation in Kwakaitel, Thongnaujam Laikai, injuring 4 MSS members today. The injured members, identified as Sinam Mirabai, R.K. Rooney, Laishram Robina and Toijam Koronganbi, have been rushed to RIMS. Condemning the incident, MSF Working President Lucky Konsam stated that they were preparing for the upcoming death anniversary observance of Pebam Chitturanjan on August 16 when the police started firing at them. He also urged authorities concerned to serve justice to the deceased girl and to bring normalcy in the school at the earliest.
Control Tongnab Honabada, MSF the Atamnana, Diagas Capsalic Liver, see, Kanna condemned away, Jessina Sanctual Liver, she was Lena, Langlangjin Putok, Pio Haiduna, Sanctual Liver, Confirmacy, the Pugomena, Tugumatamda, Initiative Logo the Bani, Lunana, Missi Sigamelina, Mahiroi Kayama, like Tamba Pangriba, Mahiroi Singasu, Asishu, Tamba, Pangangadabani.
Students of Manipur College near Pisumthong also carried out protest demonstration at the college gate demanding justice for the deceased girl student today. The student marched towards Chingamakong chanting various slogans against the students' mysterious death. Scuffle ensued as police halted the protesting students at Chingamakong. Police resorted to smoke bombing to disperse the agitating students. The protesters once again gathered at Pisumthong and tried to rally towards Kesamthong. Police once again halted the students at Kesamthong, but after negotiation, police allowed the students to carry out the rally for another 100 meters. The agitating students then retreat to the college. Students of TG Higher Secondary School carried out protest demonstration in front of the school demanding justice for the deceased girl student today. Students of Halley English School located at Soibam Laikai, Wangkai Kunau also carried out protest demonstration at Citizens Club ground. Various placards were displayed during the protest meet. Maira Paibis of Nongada Makha Laikai, Awang Laikai and Kameng Kunjao Maira in Lamlai of Imphal East District also carried out protest demonstration today at Kanhai Macha Ningsing Sanglin in Nongada demanding justice for the girl student. They extended full solidarity to all the initiatives of JEC formed against the incident. Students of various schools in Kongjom area, Thawal district protested by forming human chain on the site of National Highway number 102 Imphal Mori Road at Kongjom Bazaar area demanding justice for the deceased girl student of Standard Robot School. Many members of AMSU Kongjom branch took part in the protest. Members of Public Relation Organization Tronglaubi Youth Development Cultural Organization and Group Unity Strength Tronglaubi carried out a mass torch rally demanding justice for the deceased girl student on Tidim Road last night. The rally was followed by public meet. Mass rally demanding justice for the deceased girl student of Standard Robot Higher Secondary School was also held at Silchar in Assam last night. Irai Park in Chanura, Loshinloi, EECAL Assam, Manipuri Youth Front of Assam and Assam Manipuri Maira Paibi Apunbalup jointly carried out the rally chanting, "We want justice." ACHAL Club and Nagamapal Women Development Society also staged sit-in against the suspicious students' death at Kongpal Kongkham Laikai in Imphal East District today. NEIDP Manipur State Unit staged protest demonstration today at the party office in Tera Sapam Leirak, demanding to solve the girl students' death mystery. Taking part in the protest meet, President of NEIDP Manipur State Unit, Dr. N.G. Bizoy, stated that the party shares the grief of the bereaved family. He also reminded the government that career life of many students are at stake owing to the prevailing situation. Members of Maitei Council More, Kha Nongpok Apunba Nupi Lup More, Nupi Khunai Chakot Lamjing Lup More, Minority Women Development Organization, Muslim Women Development Association, Youth Wings Lingjil Group of Maitei Council More, civil society organizations, students of Eastern Science School and women folks of More stayed sitting at Eastern Science School ground More and also took out a protest rally through More town condemning the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. Various placards were displayed in the rally. Women folks and students of Eastern Science School who took part in the rally condemned the recent statement which said that the girl student suffered from depression. Girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School and Tomcho has condemned the police statement on his family. Stepmother of the deceased girl student and Mema has also stated that she loved the deceased girl student as her own child. She challenged people can even inquire her neighbors and locality on how she treated the deceased girl. Speaking to media at Kwiathong today, and Tomcho expressed shock at the recent statement released by the police fraternity. He condemned that such a statement has potential to deviate the case from the truth. He also stated that his 3 siblings run a printing press and a firm and that they live happily together. Tomcho stated that his second wife is barren and hence he takes care of his 3 children from his first wife very well.
Imung manunggi matang khaktang haijage akhoi isni naw nupa ohum ni akhoi ohum si loinamak mayu makai panare macha masuloina leinare toigum sung akhoi gi koibi income di dukan printing press ama togjai pona bazar da adagi farm amga togjai mastagi lakpuduna akhoi imung ohum che sakhum matangi punna accounts ti submine angang sing lai lai su tamba khotpa adagi akhoi gi imung manunggi leitalar ma phi moron kargi leiba khotpa loinamak expenditure ani sidagi pulmin rage account ma khatang thamaga darka lebu sinna jabani aduki matik yam nung sinajana aduki matik yamne ingna chikna leiba imung ni masdai sida moina sha leitabagi khudong chabaro ga khoi imung manungbu aduki matik phatana amasung nusinadaba mongda ngasi paper phongbire hoi chumi mama poktubini ue gi sasi togumasung mama ahan bagi mama si macha humni nupa ni leim adu mathangda nupi macha sini asina yamna kena mongna nuaine yoga leijabani duga madi macha yaudre Leribangang ohum hek apok masa tagi hena nuksina mana yengsandana kosandana yamna santi oibe imunga moina leije.
Stepmother of the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School and Mema expressed deep sorrow that she has been accused of ill-treating the deceased girl student. She asserted that the deceased girl used to stay in the school hostel since she was in class 3 and there has been no complaints whatsoever since then. Mema urged people not to blame her family to deflect the case.
Salai tabagi mai cha khangba ngamdringai sida press media da thoiba aran ba wahai sing ta ba thamoi sokna nuai jadi khoi sa si aduki mati khoi na lu na chana adai da chogi da ge na sena jarak pani aduga pepa da yauri ba mana sahi mari ma le rak pachi da mama mapa da samai ta utana pau pi da na magi sisi tawi kai na wakat ki hai ba do haijana ba wani ngasi bok da mana sahi mari ma le rak pachi da khoi da noi ki school authority da ki complain lamok la ko leiti masaji na re hai ba bo ek lai ki de ngasi bok ya mama pa oi ba khoi na hot na nei da na samai tawi kai ta ka le pachi yam thamoi sokna nuai jadi khoi ti.
Thangmaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan has blamed that government's insincerity led to agitations by JAC against suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, student organizations and people, condemning that the government has failed to charge anyone till date for the student deaths. MLA Joy Kisan maintained that even those arrested by the police, including the school founder, were arrested on charges of negligence. Speaking to media at Kriyathong Community Hall today, MLA Joy Kisan condemned the government to announce whether the case will be handed over to the CBI or not. MLA Joy Kisan also expressed shock that post-mortem report of the girl student was widely published on local newspapers today, when the report itself has been kept hidden from the JAC and the family members of the deceased girl.
Hujan hangning isi ngasai IPC section 305 na 302 ani isi ka mari lain na ngasi bokta police na kana phara ke police na only thing tawri sidi suicide ni tahana ba theory ngada tawle re moi na ai school ki negligence school ki rules and regulation me amdul lali section 402 ni fraud ni 424 ni habe ku pota adom do ni sat khre bibisna ki misi ki matang dari huji bokta kana phade aduna di Manipur police na madrai da interest lodi habe ne karamba circumstances no paper khara da postmortem report utho mi kari gino akhoi dere khangan ba yade haiba aduga paper khari puto hapto isel si kari gino investigation na thai na public ki mind da suicide ne tahan ba sin bane na hairu de gi maram kai leke.
Census Director Yai School has stated that pilot surveys will be conducted in selected areas of Manipur to facilitate all India census of 2021. Speaking to media at Census Directorate Office in Porompa today, Census Director Yai School stated that 2021 census will be held in two phases. House listing and housing census will be held in the first phase from April to September in 2020, while population enumeration will be conducted during the second phase from February 9 to 28 in 2021. Census Director Yasko stated that pre-tests in order to facilitate 2021 census will be conducted, where house listing and house census will be conducted for 150 households of various blocks in Imphal East District from August 12 to September 4, and population enumeration will be conducted from September 10 to 29. The Census Director welcomed public suggestions for successful 2021 census.
Lising ani tanamathoigi mikok thibagi thabakta tawkhibagumna handaksu lising ani komathoigi mikok thibagi thabak sigenama sangyeng oina Imphal East District ki block ani da saliba August thagi tang 32 dagina mathang thagi September tang mari phawba nimit kumari ni paikakani maduda yumgi miyoi singna asuma masak sing adu pibiduna sangyeng mikok thibagi thabak se mapung phanbiyo haina Bharat Sarkar ki makhada leriba Manipur ki missing thabagi thabak paikaliba bibak sigi director isama na media ki thongda nulukna paujenjari.
Residents of More town in Tangnaupal district have urged the state government to provide them regular power supply. President of Meitei Council More opined that one of the two transformers of 132 kV substation at More Ward number 9 Chatno Wing may be utilized for a separate power line at 33 by 11 kV More powerhouse for More town. He maintained that since the 33 by 11 kV substation supplies electricity for the whole town, when a power line break up in any village, there is power outage in the whole town. He urged the relevant departments to look into the matter without further delay. Public Health Engineering Department Manipur in a press release informed that areas under Koirenge Water Supply Plant like the High Court of Manipur, IIT, IIT, Mantripukri and Lamlongai areas will not get water supply due to ongoing drainage works on National Highway number 2. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on Class 5 girl student Elangwam Valentina, the brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Class 5 girl student Elangvam Valentina, the girl who cried unconsolably over her lost tree, has become brand ambassador of Chief Minister Green Manipur mission. She aspires to become a forest officer to make Manipur a green state one fine day. Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and video journalist Sapam Henry bring you an exclusive report.
10-year-old Elangvam Valentina is the eldest daughter among the 3 children of Elangvam Prem Kumar and Elangvam Ongbi Shaya from Hianglam Makhalekai. Valentina has immense love for nature and wildlife since her early childhood days. Adoring her passion, her father made her plant 2 gulmohar trees, also known as flame tree, when she was in class 1. The 2 trees were however cut down during dredging works in the locality, following which a video of the minor girl crying unconsolably went viral on social media.
Aina uasi class 1 kari ngai thagi bani ising dunung ti khudingi chai ma bu makhong jum ji khudingi se bi masigi aina kapki aina Manipur gi brand ambassador oina khalak pasida pupu and Birenda ju thank you yamna hai.
Speaking to Impact News, Valentina stated that she pleaded her mother to keep safe her 2 trees before she went to school on the day the trees were cut down. However, her mother couldn't prevent the workers from cutting down the trees. One of Valentina's uncles tried to comfort her and asked her how many trees have to be planted when one is cut down. Valentina responded, 20 trees must be planted. Admiring her immense love for trees, her uncle posted the video on Facebook to raise awareness among the public. Her uncle asserted that he didn't post the video with an intention to make Valentina a brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur mission.
Video se viral horakani na video se na upload tong busunate mana thamoi chungna kakiba adi ma punigi yamna nuksina ma pi oro tangi kapada mana yamna nuksiba wahai amatang yauge mana hai u ama ya takibje u ama je mahuta u kun thagani haiba siji gi magi thimnida adi mana hai wahai da aina ngasai gi video se chemjaraga aina thagachegibne.
Valentina was chosen as the brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur mission by the state government for her love and dedication for saving trees. Reacting on her passionate reaction, various organizations and associations of the state carried out tree plantation drives at her residence as well as in her school.
Kangla da koi tree plantation ma organize tawge na plan tawri adugi damakta koina Valentina bu invite tawba lakchabani.
Young Valentina aspires to become a forest officer one day and make Manipur a green state.
Jing maru kok tu na lai ba jing gai ji ju u tha jang ge na khale aduga lai akoi ba na lai tha ge na khale aduga aina hayang wa shawra kam forest department ki officer am oi gen khale hojik ti mi na u ko sa pa ji yam na lai re adugi aina moi da war na ba u je tha ni aduga moi na yan sa ki ba u du gi ma hu ta u ma yan ba gi u kun tha ga da ba na.
Daily wage earning parents of Valentina strive to fulfill their daughter's dreams. Even though people are aware of the negative impact of deforestation, yet they continue to cut down trees. Such recklessness invites climate change and its negative impacts like floods and droughts in the long run. If everyone in the state have love for trees like the young Valentina, the state will indeed become lush green once again in the near future.
Members of Human Resource and Social Development Organization along with Forest Environment Department planted various tree saplings inside Kangla Fort under Chief Minister's Green Mission Manipur today. Health Minister Lampulapam Jayantakumar inaugurated important buildings of healthcare sector in Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur and Churachandpur district today. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister Jayantakumar announced that works are underway to upgrade District Hospital Churachandpur into a medical college. The newly inaugurated buildings are District Early Intervention Center and DEIC, each at RIMS and Jenims. Dedicated IOT and one ward at NPCB, NHM Medical Directorate in Lumphilpat and one state warehouse for storing medicines at the Medical Directorate. He also inaugurated DEIC dedicated eye ward and palliative ward in Bishnupur District Hospital and a 10-bedded dedicated eye ward at Churachandpur District Hospital under National Health Mission. Minister Jayantakumar assured that government is striving healthcare sector of the state despite financial constraints. The minister assured that he will hold talks with funding agency within a week to upgrade Churachandpur District Hospital into medical college.
Churachandpur District Hospital say to the standard of medical college upgrade to ba and highway say tangai for the bani and highway matu dream matu mangdu leiba highway but chumnagi cham the dream khaktamak oina sum leiba taragadi chinna sumnagi lip service people khaktamak oiba taragadi madu oithoi do adana maramodana koi madu materialize tawno hona ba thab kharchange leramiba district hospital ama to the level of medical college madu the full of tawno ba chingana hona ba kanda it involves huge amount of money akhui chidga menki pesade yam laita I have talked with certain big funding agencies to worry about but what am I talking about have targeted apart from this money and others fighting maru say people's cooperation people's participation and the people's common desire
Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Professor A. Santa launched 2-day free gallbladder keyhole surgery workshop at the seminar hall of Department of Anesthesiology RIMS today. Medical Superintendent of RIMS Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, Dean Academic Professor Brogan Akoijam, Head of Surgery Department Professor M. Bir Kumar, Head of Anesthesiology Department Professor L. Deban, faculty members of Surgery and Anesthesiology Department and PG students attended the event. 9 operations were conducted on the first day of the workshop. Renowned specialist surgeon of Genesis Hospital, Kolkata, Dr. Purnendu Roy gave resourceful insights in the workshop. Dhanamanjuri Community College in association with Indian Society of Radiographers and Technologies organized one-day national CME-cum seminar on opportunities and challenges of radiological technology at Dhanamanjuri Community College complex today. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Babina Diagnostics, Dr. Thangjam Dhavali, stated that the seminar aimed to enlighten on effective usage of latest technology and protection from harmful radiations. Experts of radiological technology from across the nation stressed on various topics during the 2 technical sessions of the seminar.
Modern amenities, which are also rapidly changing, as one of the earlier speakers have said, that we have to run after the development. Otherwise, we will be soon outcast and out of the picture. So we need to update our knowledge and information with the development. And the whole idea of organizing this type of CME stands for, as you know, the continuing medical education. That the changes, the development in medical science, we need to update.
Today we are here to update our knowledge and refresh our skills by the ways and means of continuing medical education, or better the word we can use, continuing professional development, CPD.
Comrem Student Union and Chiru Student Union Kangpokpi, in collaboration with District Health Society PHD Modbung, held one-day free health camp at Sadhu Chiru village today. 3 specialist doctors of ENT, Gynae and Surgery along with 10 medical officers and 10 staffs checked up around 100 individuals and provided them free medicines. Speaking on the sidelines, Village Chief of Sadhu Chiru Village TD, Roy Khan, lauded the organizers. President of Comrem Student Union, Jim Com, and President of Chiru Student Union, Rengthai Ngam, also took part in the camp.
layong lakpa matung ina ase pangthokpa se asigi maram sidadi khoi hena khoi arapa kangbugi damakti chattaba ngamba ngoi ma jawe dona asum organization sinji ba ad sarkar na organization sing na haiba matam jabi rakpa sisu hedokna sarkar ki maiki da su haro phongdoi organizing committee sing da su masigi mathakta moi ki mathakta apen ba ngai phongdok sai.
Communist Party of India Wankhai Local Council held its 25th conference at the shrine of Lining Thau Sanamahi Lining Furup in Wankhai, Kunau today. Party National Executive Member Dr. Moirangthem Nara, Assistant Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council K. Surchan, top leaders and members of the party discussed on way to strengthen the party during the conference. Reborn Drug De-Addiction Center located at Wankhai Thangapadmapal has refuted the allegation charged by one organization called Dark Form. Speaking to media at the center today, senior counselor of the center, Angom Robindro, refuted the claim made by Secretary of Dark Form, Maisnam Puspakanta, who alleged the center of charging money for hepatitis C treatment as false. He warned that legal actions will be taken against anyone who tried to defend the center, which is a registered society.
Reborn hepatitis C treatment to wigi paisa low kibalaite. Huziki masa laying iba angang hepatitis C na infected or ba sigumba angang se akoy na ahamba magi health ki oiba problem lakona mahak family gi ayaba yawraga akoy frequently hospital da pui haiba se family gi knowledge lairaba wafamdi. Ado ani subida moi treatment process lakna bagi magi screening to wahai bidi magi ngasai gi hepatitis C gi treatment cha tharak na bohona matam da mai screening to wahai bam changi ICTC to wahai bam changi family gi knowledge lairaba siung wafam singcha hairak liba mana paisa gi oiba view the focus to yo pot se masi akoina logi ba laitaba pot sida hojiki logo doriba paisa gi maram chapchaba details tu ne ina bijari ngasai gi process me ama changja liba documents me amje akoi isa da hoji proof oina laijai haitar yumpham yaw da wa khara ngang lage.
As a part of security measures ahead of upcoming Independence Day celebration, District Police Bisnupur carried out cordon and search operation at Bisnupur Ward number 9 and 11 today. The team comprising of SDPO Bisnupur, OC Commando SDPO Moirang, DSP Operation and 12 mobile team of Bisnupur Commando under the supervision of additional SP Operation, Bisnupur District Police KHS Manihar carried out the drive from 4:30 a.m. till 5:30 a.m. Altogether, 310 individuals were verified during the drive. A cleanliness drive was carried out in Thoubal district under the supervision of SP Thoubal District Police Dr. S. Ibomcha today ahead of upcoming Independence Day celebrations. OC and personnel of Khongjom Police, Wangjing Police, Thoubal Police, additional SPT has Deswoji as Sachidananda, DSP's officials of 3rd IRB security personnel and members of Thoubal and Wangjing Municipal Council took part in the drive. Meanwhile, Coordination Committee, CORCOM and United Liberation Front of Assam in a joint press release boycotted the upcoming Independence Day celebration on August 15 and called for a statewide general strike from early in the morning till 6:30 p.m. CORCOM said it will exempt emergency cases during the general strike. All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amju Manipur Hill Journalists Union and Kalen Thokchom Trust in separate press releases expressed deepest condolences upon the untimely demise of former photojournalist of Press Trust of India, Fanjawam Santos, who passed away from an illness on August 9. Chief Minister N. Biren has also expressed shock and deep sadness over the sudden and untimely demise of senior photojournalist Fanjawam Santos. IPR Minister Tongam Biswajit also expressed his condolences. DM College of Teacher Education Imphal presented food items to Mongsangai Old Age Home under its Community and School Contact Program today. The college team also presented stationery items to students of Kabul High School in Tera Bazar and organized a free health camp for the students. Manipuri Students Federation held a Thoba Pebam Chitaranjan Manga Memorial Open Debating Competition 2019 on the theme of ASPA 1958 is a violation of human rights at Wycombe Mani Girls College in Thawal today. Students from various schools and colleges took part in the competition. Former Principal of Manipur College, retired Professor Laishram Sadananda, chaired as speaker of the competition. Northeast India Development Party, Communist Party of India and United Committee Manipur in separate press releases greeted people of the state, especially the Muslim brethren, on occasion of Eid-ul-Juha. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thaunaujam Shyamkumar inaugurated the second Tangmai Cucumber Festival 2019 at Hyangtang Lanka YPA General Headquarters Hall in Churchandpur today. Speaking at the event, Minister Shyamkumar asked cucumber farmers to register themselves under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH of the Horticulture Department or Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA to obtain DBT benefits provided by the center to farmers. 27 farmers from different villages of Churchandpur district made available over 110,000 cucumbers in the festival.
Which production which is produced by our farmer. Brahma dagi porapa apple chemical contaminated of the site. Asodagi porapa rotten weba akogi photo site. Akogi original portion si akogi sour si pak yadi. Aduna kamai to Manipur da diabetes quite naba meat pudaba cancer naba si karigino of the adum rotten fish. Papadagi nga pusilakane chemical preservation hapa. Miwibana sabi apagi sangda preserve to hapta mayam excess hapakpa. Apple to sari apple si sari yang kanda koina ama how to baneba. Ado akogi pineapple, akogi tangmai, akogi mairen, ade akogi pan, adagi akogi tukan ba masagi put mayam je koi si sawa.
Langpuk Langpam Melody of Manipur, Tanvi Raksha Marak of Meghalaya and Rajeshwari Chakraborty of Sikkim have been crowned the top 3 winners of 17th Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019 in the grand finale held at ITA Cultural Complex, Machkowa, Assam. Joya Sapam of Manipur has bagged sub-award of ITEX Dazzler Miss Beautiful Face in the Peasant, while Lukanan Katrimayum of Manipur has bagged the winner's title of 10th Kanya Mega Mr. Northeast. Paul Paukotlang Haukip and Poguili Abil Golmai of Manipur have bagged Vodafone Supernet 4G Mr. Popular Subtitle and Radiation Blue Mr. Hospitality respectively. Mega Entertainment organized the pageants conceptualized by fashion entrepreneur Avijit Sinha and sponsored by Sunsilk Taken Long, Radiation Blue, Vodafone Supernet 4G, Sony Alpha and ITEX Dazzler. Now the sports news. Second Invitation Gymnastics Championship kicked off today at the indoor hall of Kumalampak Sports Complex. Deputy Director of Youth Affairs and Sports, Lunkoise Haukiv, Vice President of AMGA, Dr. Ann Binabon, Former Director of SAI L. Tiken and DYASO of Imphal East Y. Boni and executive members of Parents Association attended the initiating event organized by Manipur Gymnastic Parents Association and the Manipur Gymnastic Association. Altogether, 81 players from Assam and Manipur will be participating in artistic and aerobic events. 8 boys and 13 girls in under 8 years category, 18 boys and 17 girls in under 10 years category, 8 boys and 5 girls in under 12 years category, and 5 boys and 5 girls in under 14 years category will compete in the championship. Attending the event, YAS Deputy Director Lunkose Haukib urged parents to encourage their children and contribute in producing good gymnasts from Manipur.
Japan and Korea can do. Why not we? Our appearance is same, our structure, our figure is same. They are not better than us, so if they can do, we also can do it. After some years, after some years, before they reach the age of 25.
Social Welfare Department felicitated athletes and coaches of the state who represented India in the 15th Special Olympic World Summer Games 2019 held from March 14 to 21 at Abu Dhabi, UAE with CAS Awards today. The coaches expressed dismay that none of the relevant departments nor anyone welcomed or appreciated them upon their arrival with medals. The felicitation program was held at Bal Bhavan in Kumalampa. It may be mentioned that in 15th Special Olympic World Summer Games 2019, Anne Harojit bagged 1 gold and 1 silver medal in athletics event, while Chitra, who was in India's futsal team, bagged a silver medal. Biswajit Oinam was India's athletic coach and H. Amila was a futsal coach. The coaches lauded Social Welfare Department for organizing the felicitation program. They further urged the relevant authority to provide necessary facilities to the state's sportsperson as in other states. A CAS award of 50,000 rupees was presented to Anne Harojit, 35,000 rupees to Chitra and 20,000 rupees each to 2 coaches at the event.
Disabled sports complex linkatpagi mahuta hauji akwai leijariba international thapta leiba Kumalampat sports complex si disabled friendly view ohen view aidana musi madom doina koi changjamina director Yas musi ahan boina request tawjage changthok changsin da numaina ba disabled sing si atopana chatok chasing da free oi ba tumaina khena ba khra leibanina magi accessible way ba barrier free way ba aso request tawraga madam da changjan minaraga leiba facilities seasonaraga Manipur gi sports ki leiba talent se mi oi kudi makalai disabled mark su lei ha do opportunity da kullaga himalaya ba ku malenda yamna matik manga.
Kanglai Chess Academy in a press release informed that the academy will hold Patriots Day Junior Blitz Chess Tournament 2019 on Patriots Day that falls on August 13. Interested individuals may submit their application form at Kanglai Chess Academy in Singjamai, Chingamathak, Chongtham Laikai latest by 4 p.m. on August 12. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Students tussle with police demanding justice for deceased girl student of Standard Robot Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Altogether 15 students in jail. Parents of deceased girl student of Standard Robot Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur condemn police statement on family matters, urged government not to deflect the case. And Health Minister Langkulapam Jayanta Kumar inaugurates several health facilities in Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur and Churachandpur district.